Why do women with endometriosis that have constant pain, bloating, digestive issues, or bowel issues, and are told or assume that it's small intestine bacterial overgrowth, so SIBO, or usually more common, they're told that it's IBS. There's actually a hormone, immune, and gut connection. Most people, especially women that have endometriosis, are never even told. If you have endometriosis or estrogen dominance of some kind, and yes, I know that they're very different, go ahead and save this video and hopefully it makes a lot of sense for you. Endometriosis is often treated like it's only a gynecologic condition. Research shows that it's actually a systemic inflammatory disease that actually presents through the reproductive system. It involves inflammation, immune dysfunction, and estrogen signaling throughout the body. So that is one reason women with endometriosis often experience symptoms far beyond their uterus, including digestive issues. However, your gut, and I talk about this all the time with estrogen dominance, also plays a role in how estrogen is regulated. After your body uses estrogen, the liver prepares it for elimination. The liver converts estrogen into an inactive form, sends it to the digestive system through bile, so it can leave the body in your poop. Now, this is why there's a lot of issues when you remove your gallbladder, and I can make a whole other video on that as well. Just let me know if you want that. Inside your gut microbiome, there's something called the estrobolome. It's a unique group of bacteria that contains specialized genes responsible for metabolizing estrogen. It plays a central role in helping your body regulate estrogen levels. These levels are constantly changing, right? Over the month, over your cycle, and throughout different phases of our life. Now, some of these bacteria produce an enzyme called beta-glucuronidase. This enzyme can reactivate estrogen in the intestine and allow it to be reabsorbed back into circulation instead of leaving the body. This process is called the enterohepatic recycling of estrogen. Now, I've talked about this before with estrogen dominance. If excess estrogen is not released from the body, it just keeps circulating, and then we have problems. So, research shows that women that have endometriosis often have gut microbiome imbalances, also called dysbiosis. So this is the connection. When certain bacteria become more abundant, more estrogen gets recycled in the bloodstream than it does get eliminated. So because endometriosis lesions respond to estrogen, this can contribute to the inflammatory environment that supports their growth. At the same time, inflammation of the pelvis can affect, well, it does affect nearby organs like the intestines, which are going to affect digestion. It's going to affect motility. This is a lot of the reason why women with endometriosis experience bloating, painful bowel movements, or constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pressure. People that have endometriosis with digestive symptoms, it usually isn't classic SIBO or classic IBS. And the estrobolome is one of the key systems involved in regulating estrogen in the body. If you are dealing with hormonal symptoms, this is what I do. Work with women to support these systems. If you want to work with me one-on-one to get that support, tap the link in my bio, tap start now, and fill out a health history form. Go ahead and book an appointment. But just another example of how the gut controls your hormones.